Yeah.
Well, guys, so we just arrived here. Mandeville, it's a
Bonito Crescent.
So we are Bonito Crescent, you know.
Yeah.
Nice, wonderful crescent. You know, place
Met
looking nice.
Some friends from London.
No air fry, no gas stove, no coal. Strictly nature.
Why them say they can't take the eater dog go in the kitchen? Yeah.
You see me?
The way things are going, the big pot of rice and peas finish already.
Man, finish already.
Yeah. I would have 50 pounds of rice.
Hi.
Hello.
I like your outfit. Nice to meet you too. I will meet you. I saw your mother on the tube, but I haven't met her yet.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well, blessed love, guys, blessed love. So guys, so we're here with the family. We know gracefully go from a thing yesterday. Yes, guys, so we're here with the family. We're heading into Manchester.
Manchester, yeah.
Yes, guys, so you know, my sister's gonna see some relatives, you know, so that's where we're gonna head now. So we're here at halfway tree, gonna get some patties first. You know, yesterday I got crazy news on my camera. Yeah, bananas. Yeah, so these are my family. These are little cousin 1, little cousin 2, and sister 3.
That's it.
Yeah, the thing goes so.
Outside today.
So, oh no, right there for what? Trust me, the family is not small, the family is big, you know. So you have cousins, you have Jamie and Jada, and you know, Felicia. Park Plaza.
Then look at young
So right now I'm at the party. So you know, so we're gonna hit the road now. Hit the road, Jack. Yes guys, remember to like, share, you know, whenever you get a chance to subscribe. So we're gonna hit the road. Yeah, so we're gonna hit the road now. Straight along to Manchester. Chingwa. Hit the road, Jack.
Juice and water. I may have fruit, I may have Arizona.
Well guys, so we just arrived here.
I want to ask us to carry a week for the next sister. And then my road have been the down there, so we're going to pass through. Yeah.
Well guys, so we just arrived here. Mandeville, it's a
Bonito Crescent.
So we are Bonito Crescent, you know.
Yeah.
Nice, wonderful crescent. You know, place looking nice.
Some friends from London have an accident just up there, so yeah, it's nice.
Quiet as
Jamaica,
well.
Jamaica.
Yes guys, so we're here, you know, the thing goes. So we're gonna check out and see what's happening. You know, the thing goes.
That
you know.
is it.
So it's a family link up, and as you can see, this is a lovely. Here it's like it's gated, but these are apartments inside the buildings. These are some apartments. These are nice, you know. So yes, man. You know, Mandeville always quiet, you know, till they have ear pop. Yeah, the place is quiet. Trust me, it is so nice. This place is nice as well too. Oh, we got June plum. We got some June plum here. Oh, this place, let's spray them. Oh, yeah. What are these white stuff on them? Yo.
What, June plum?
Yeah.
The bag of the car.
Juba. A good thing we never got too close. Was. Yes guys, so you know some also I'm in Pablo's town as well too. So you know I'm gonna check Pablo as well too. You know Pablo is down here as well too, and them having a liquor. You know, a cookout. So I go around there because you know so the thing have a book out. You know, so my sister is gonna, you know, get along with them family relative. So I'm gonna leave them to go and get to know each other while I'm gonna head out there and see what I'm going to link up with the great Pablo himself. You know the thing goes already guys. So Pablo is here back here in Jamaica. So when they're ready they will call me and they will come and get them and bring them out there. So at the meantime them can go and get acquainted with the family, and I'm gonna go out there and go on all, you know, a Mandeville vibes. You know the thing goes already. You know, in this nice quiet area, Bonito. You know, Bonito. I'm here.
Well is.
Eh? You same boat to running today. Cooler man.
Yeah, man.
That is that. Where say yes, the cookings are going. Yeah.
Yes, I want to do, you know.
Yeah, so. You know, I come always pass it, man.
Right, man.
Can't wash everything.
Everything. No, we're not going to that part.
Okay.
See the part over there, so.
Yeah.
Unfinished building.
Yeah.
I just very much up the wall and feel.
Oh, I see that about. Yeah. And how far, you know? If I'm there now, it's right down here, so.
And I told you,
Yeah, but I'm not going so far in that town, see. But I told the car the same. Yeah. So these are the cookings we are going.
How long the man do your thing, man?
Yeah. The guys over there, Pablo the General. Pablo.
Your brother wife, that you know.
Your brother wife?
Yeah.
Bev. Blessed love.
Hi, how are you doing?
I'm good.
After YouTube, boy, pushing you on the YouTube.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we are selling this place right now. Hello, Bev.
Oh,
Kino.
you're promoting that place?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Pablo, I'm a general, you know, so you know the thing goes already. Our family. Yeah. Look what I go on. Show them what I go on. Oh, a different type of fire. Blessing, chef. Shall I come when you're ready? Great fried chicken. And first we see a fire set up like this. Big grill. So that means they can set on a lot of pot one time, right?
6 pot 7 pot 1 time.
6 pot 7 pot 1 go.
Everything around it ready one time.
Yeah. So what kind of wood they using now?
You call them sweet food and lagwood.
Oh, sweet wood and lagwood.
Good fire chicken this.
Oh, then this. Which tree this? And a pimento?
No, sweet wood and lagwood.
Which tree is that? Which tree that come from?
Tree them grow to big fence wall.
Okay. Okay. See there? So the big French fried chicken are going right here. So
Yeah, man, when they're ready now, we are going to drop it.
you know, more show them where the place located as well to when we finish. Tell them exactly which part we're there.
You know, say we're there on Winston Jones Highway.
Winston
Right
Jones.
at the car mark. You see me? Central 11. When you come up to Central 11, you can't miss. Right, this is it.
So how often this going right here, so?
You know, say this is an event that is for what you call it now, year to year. I don't like an everyday thing.
Yeah, year to
every
year.
month thing. Every
Okay.
year to year. You see me? And 2-3 months. Now
Okay.
next one October.
Yeah.
You see me?
But we kind of notice you have more than one business place over here. So it's always open over here for business. Oh, the fire. Oh.
Next rice day when ready.
Alright.
The way things are going, the big pot of rice and peas finish already.
Man, finish already.
Right.
Yeah.
How about 50 pound of rice?
This is 50 and 50 over there.
So 50 this whole 50
Yeah.
and 50 over there. And that finish.
The pataman is big pataman is water done already.
Everything good. How many times so early?
Yeah. So this is Bevan Akim's restaurant.
Yeah.
10 McKinley Road in Mandeville, Winston Jones Highway. You can come anytime. The food is good, really good,
Yeah.
and very reasonable.
Very reasonable.
You don't have to stress about it.
Don't stress.
Yeah.
It's all budget.
Yeah.
Well, pretty. And this is the managed water over here. What?
Yeah, people for rice, man.
Next big pot of rice and peas, 50 pounds. So one 50 pound one finish already. And next 50 pound one else I go and kick up. Well read and looking pretty. You can't say the food here so tastes good because it would have done so quick. And the big pot of managed water finish already. Right, the fire kicking up. You know, the business kicking. Some more chicken going in. That is it. Real chef. Chef, so what the eye name?
You know, say I name Chippy, but real name a Chip Star, you know, cause the youth born as a star, you know.
Ah, that's true.
You see me?
All our born as a star, so we have to work with the star. Okay, have the star and don't make it shine.
Alright, believe, you know?
Believe, so make it shine and show them says Chip Star, drop in the well right.
Fire, well right man, not fire chicken better than wood fire, learn that.
The man always say,
You see me? Nothing.
no gas
Air
stove.
fry, no gas stove, no coal. Strictly nature.
Or them say they can't take the eater dog go in the kitchen. And if you know say yo a long time you do it, you use this eater. Right now I run more and run for the fire. Hey guys, the way how the fire kick up, I'm telling you, it's not that man. You know, and it's come like nothing to them at all.
Man, fireman.
Yes, sir.
Right, this
Right, so we're here. And is it Church Jones? Winston Jones.
Highway.
Winston Jones Highway in Mandeville. So I want to show them how the place look, the settings. So we have jerk chicken over here as well. So we have the jerk chicken over there, go and jerk, you know, to Winston Jones. So guys, so you see you have more than one stuff in here. Over here you have car lot, you know. You have other business inside here, they have car wash there and everything. I know so the land set up music inside, so you know so later on music for days same way, you know, so okay, so you know you have business in your car wash over there. I wonder if you can get a quick wash, you know, quick wash, no joke about it. So guys, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna show you on the outside and show you, because we know most of you must identify this place. See them here. So it's, tell us I'm gonna reach. What's your name? Winston Jones?
Yeah, Winston Jones Highway.
Eh?
Winston Jones Highway.
Winston Jones Highway, so I'm gonna show them what I go on. So with that, Winston. Guys, listen to the bass. Hey. So guys, so this is the Winston Jones Highway. You know, because it's right across from the car lot over here where them sell cars. Car mart, you cannot miss it. So is either coming from Kingston or anywhere, or if you're in Mandeville, going into Mile Gully direction, is that direction there. And if you're coming from that direction, it's going to be on the left hand side coming, you know. So this is it right here. So come and check it out, you know. You know, so anywhere Pablo there, we have to endorse it. You know, so we have to endorse the Pablo business right here. You know what I think, though, because you know, Pablo is our extended family. They've done so much as well for us, you know, the members them, and also for the recipient them in and around Trenchtown, you know. And we have to always appreciate Pablo, a man like him will always giving back same way. You know, so that's why we have to come and give a look in. You know, Pablo over there so I go and reason with him friends them. You know it goes already. While I'm here, so I go and get the place a look in. Over there you have a container as well. I have a club up there as well. Central 11.
Central 11. See there?
Okay. You see the Central 11 Grill and Lounge. It's open every night.
Yeah man, every night.
Every night. So in here says it's a nice space to keep dance, man, Pablo.
Eh?
Right in here, so a nice space.
I have some big dance about the 31st.
Right there, so.
Yeah, my cousin gave it.
31st of this month?
Yeah.
Okay. Nice space, man. Nice space.
I rent it out, you know.
Oh, so that's rent.
Drop container, you know.
Oh, so on the rent, you rent to that spot?
Yeah.
Okay. Guys, it's a place that we have to always endorse Pablo, you know. So this right now, Pablo location, you know, where they let him rent out, you know, to other. Okay. Season. Oh, it's a container them transform.
Yeah, I'm telling you how to.
Okay.
Have the bar, see the bar there, you know.
Yeah. Very, can go in the door.
Yeah, man.
Very creative. Very creative. Bar in here as well too. So, right here. So the place is nice. Now like, I have the bathroom as well too. So you have the bathroom as well too for there as well, you know?
Yeah man, everything there for me. Hey, you know, say I show me ignorant. You know, I'm head chip sometimes.
Yeah, yeah.
And that's why I'm gonna have the car wash for myself, you know.
Oh, them piss you off on that day.
I'm gonna sell out everything out that car wash.
Oh, it's okay.
They have all the car wash power machine.
Yeah.
Where you wash all truck and bus. Where you don't have to climb up. Like have the long thing.
Yeah, yeah.
You see what I'm saying?
So what happens? Someone just piss you off that day.
Well, I don't know, it's like them just. Now listen when me I say, brother.
So where do you sell the spot before or you rent the spot?
No, man, I rent them.
You rent the spot?
Yeah, but just make them pay rent fee. Because somebody want to rent all. Because you want something drop through the roof, you know what I say?
Oh yeah. So I want to say I do the ice cream, especially I do the ice cream.
I mash up.
I mash up.
Yeah, so now I put in cash pot and the poker machine left.
Oh, like a Supreme venture.
Yeah, I want to put in and out.
So where do you so they develop first before you rent it, or them develop it?
No, we rent the spot and then build up them
and then build up the shed. Okay. So all spots gone now as I can see, Pablo.
Yeah.
All the spots them gone.
Everything.
So are them get them own a container?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, come rent this spot, you know.
Yeah,
Him not pay much.
Yes, yeah.
Now you get this spot.
Yeah. Yeah, but and the whole of the spot them gone now. What about the most part of the on the set? Like which part soon now cook?
No, that's our part.
Our part.
Yeah, we don't mix up the part with nobody.
So all spots gone now. Yo. Guys, they know my style already, you know. Walk and talk, you know. I like the place here in Mandeville. Church Jones. I keep on forget this name. That is Winston Jones. Winston. Okay, so it's Mr. Winston Jones highway we're on right now. I know over here them have a lot of car mark. A lot of car mark over here as well too. Winston Jones. And look at this community over here. Damn. Boy, them say Mandeville come like foreign. Yeah. I feel the breeze start change already.
Yeah,
You know? The breeze start to change already. So just imagine that. You know, take a walk here that. In that community here. And see, take a walk in the community. You know, we think we have to explore all of the country and show them, say, yeah, and a foreign alone pretty. Jamaica nice. Jamaica pretty. Without a doubt. You know? Without a doubt. And these are the things that inspire us as Jamaica when you see like development like these, you know. People try to make themselves comfortable. And it's not hard. You know. It might take a long while. Because sometimes you see a house and it's when it complete. But in your mind you're gonna feel like so, oh, it take a year for do. But sometimes it take time, it take all years to complete a house, you know, but the man say one cocoa full of basket. What is name? McKinley Drive. So McKinley Drive. I want, and another thing I like as well, the community them is always so quiet. So peaceful and quiet, so and it's private. So you can't come live in them community here with your bag of knives, no. You know, yeah, your neighbor now get on. You have to come here because you know it's all peace and quiet. You know, very nice. Oh, it's turn off. Look at these houses. That's what I'm saying. All you need in Jamaica is to invest in a piece of land. Once you have your land, you can build something as big as all you want it. Look on even that over there what I build right now, yeah? And all the man have is land. He don't have no security. He don't live in a gated community. No. He just live in a community where it's peace and it's quiet. Look on this big house that they build. And who for tell how long the man have built this? Who to tell? I know some my idea is gonna come when me I go start building something big like this. Airbnb it out. You know, can't go wrong. Just look. Pure land, people just buy land and build up. See there? All land space. So when you go uptown and you see that big nice cash house them, I saw the people them build from scratch. You know, from way back in the days. So when you come on to these time now, you know, house value go up. You know, so we are McKinley Avenue. See them here walking. The amount of land in country. Not like this in Kingston really. So we have to leave down in the town and come in the country. You know, the streets them clean as well to look how clean it is. If you find a back up on the ground and lie, quiet. If you drop a pin you can hear it. You know, just look. You see, they never go on top. There must be something low. Same place here. You know, things like this make people want to come back home, you know. Alright, see a piece of land here, so imagine if you get a land like this right now. Just imagine if you get a piece of land like this, my general.
Yeah.
You're nice.
Buy this.
You know?
Yeah, nice. So,
Of course. See there? And this look like it's for sale, but we're not seeing a for sale.
yeah, fine.
Or somebody buy it already. Cause you can see it fence round, so the top of the fence right there. So
Yeah.
so it's from there to there.
Yeah.
It's a decent space this.
Nice to car.
Of course. Yeah. I can be so a big mansion put here, so you know. Just look at that. So that's the fence there, and that's it there. Can't go wrong. That's all you need. You need nothing big. And you have your own mansion right here. It fenced off, so that means that somebody buy it already. Yeah. So somebody buy it already, but they must start to build as yet. You know, maybe them waiting. But guys, as I can see. Oh, there's another one beside it as well. Oh, there's a bigger one. It's only a small piece them buy, you know.
Yeah.
So it look like a one owner own the whole of this and them sell piece. You look, you see it? Are the same owner this?
Go right back
Yeah.
the fence part of this.
So it's the same owner own this. Look over here. Nice. Nice, man. God damn. Yeah, as I said, this just finished. But you're looking on the rooftop, the shingles them. Yeah, still new. So you can say this recently.
And there was not board shingle anymore.
Them are not board shingle anymore. What then?
Thinning shaped like shingles.
Oh, it's shaped like shingles.
Yeah. It's more than one roof.
Yeah. I noticed down here in Mandeville, especially Manchester and them place there, it's mostly shingle them like to use.
Yeah. They went back the old time shape.
Yeah.
Look in front of you.
Yeah. So is it stronger for when time hurricane?
More like because them short and them carry a lot of near. So them usually not going to blow up like a sheet, I think.
Yeah.
They are much more like a foot.
So the best piece of land, yeah? So it's flat?
Flat and nice.
Flat and nice. You know? Flat and nice. Blessings, my general. This land for sale? Or just a work? Flat and nice, you know? So that no need no whole heap of work for a dump up.
Yeah, if you don't
So I know this I go for a decent price, couple million as well too.
two side too.
Over. Up here, so though. Boy, I wish me have some fourth generation family related, you know.
Yeah.
And them here say, yo, you know, I a great own them piece of land down here, saying.
About you know, so two men I really know them.
Oh, you know them.
St. Elizabeth, yeah. Because two mother they come up from country long before everybody.
Yeah.
My uncle and my auntie them stay down there. My grandfather died, my grandmother died.
Okay.
My uncle and my auntie them migrate, you understand?
Okay,
So
okay.
them left down there. Cousin them usually they migrate. But through me never familiar with down there.
Oh, that's why.
Yeah, but with a lot of land left down there, said you.
Look on that classic there.
Wow.
Mustang. A Mustang that though.
No, it's not a Mustang. That's Skylark. Skylark. See on the side. Skylark. You catch it on the side, the end of the car.
Oh.
Skylark.
Like a racing car, like on a night rider.
Skylark.
Skylark.
Yeah, look man.
That look like the night rider. Skylark.
Skylark.
Yeah. Classic that, you know. Skylark.
Mad like the.
It's a shape like a ship. Fast. You know. Look upon them land now, you know.
Yes, yeah.
Look at these land. Look at these land. Around here so nice, man. Can you imagine around here so just quiet? Yeah, there. Around here so look like someone I know so. It's only look like, but in around here. It's just nice, man. Jamaica nice, you know, man. All I want is just a piece of land. Almighty God, that's all I need to you for bless me with a piece of land. And when you bless me with that land, Almighty, you know, all I'm gonna do is buy my blocks 100, 100 and 200, 205, you know, and put them up and start dig foundation little by little. In no time, the Almighty make me complete that. Yeah, man. Half a ground, but all you need is a space. Because I think it's always better to build more than buy. Go out, look, you know, go that way. We go walk and burn some time, man. Because I always think it's better to build than buy. You know, well, that's my opinion, you know. You guys probably have it different. I don't know what you think. So if you think it's better to buy, and me think say, well, it's better to buy a piece of land, you know.
Black put on land.
Ah yeah, alright, you know, long them black they put on land, but at least we never start.
Yeah.
The black, it black. That block is black. You can see how long that put on. So imagine this piece of land, you know. We couldn't have a great cousin, a great uncle, a great somebody say, Kino, yeah, you have a piece of land down here, so down a Mandeville somewhere, Manchester. It's there for you. All I want is just give me this money for it, and you're good to go. You know? Yeah, this come like from burial time. Burial blow down this, you know. From the root. One cup on your land and you're good. See if I walk come on them side there? At the first seat there. Yeah. Good thing to stretch your legs.
Go from the other side.
On the other side. And look at that side there, look. Nice. This look like it's a drive-in for go all the way up into somebody's house. Yeah. Look like at the same yard or is it different yard? Oh, different. So this is a good idea, because imagine when you're driving from here, I know you can't see the house, you know, so you have to drive all the way up. So them want a big piece of land here. Look at this nice house here. This is two family. One at the front and one at the back, you can see. Two family house. So you know whenever
get the land at the back and then build.
And then build, oh. Okay, you know, whenever you build something, you don't build it for just for now. You build it for the future generation. You know, for your kids, grandkids, them to come and inherit it. See them, because remember your kids are going to pass it on to their kids, and their kids pass it on. Say, no, say, it's a generation ownership that I go right on, you know. They come like it's a wealth, you know, because them say when you're rich, you can broke. But when you have a wealth asset, it will carry on, see them through generation. You know, so it's less struggle for them to find somewhere to live. At least them would have somewhere where them can call home. You know? Cause enough of these big houses where you see, you know, the rooms them empty, but they only have a lot of rooms. But them build it for them future generation. When them have kids and have kids, they have a lot of rooms. Around here is so nice, man. Very, very nice. Nice. So much you reckon them all sell a piece of land down here so far?
Well, I'll tell you, land kind of get, it kind of...
Land price gone up though?
Kind of family, yeah. Normally, about like say 5 years back. I call for 10 years back. You could get a land for 1.5 million. It's a long old spot, you know.
Yeah, that's like 5 years back.
Yeah, I think.
But now?
No, we come in get away.
Price get away.
So they find out enough place are built up like industry.
Yeah.
Supermarket, hospital, and one build up and doctor place and more things are built up now, so you find more people are come.
Yeah.
Scan to like one.
Yes, true. So cover here you have some land. Yeah.
Land really there can sell, you know.
Land, of course.
Yeah, so much land you see, but it's empty.
Yeah, because even this here is so empty. And you can't even...
Outside. Land there. Look up there, big house.
Land, you see me. And the thing is here, I can imagine how long this day here, so.
Yeah.
But you don't see a for sale. And you don't know who is the owner.
No.
Sometimes the owner them is not even nowhere near about.
No, man.
Clementine, you see somebody say you go squat on it.
Yeah.
And when you look at the owner come and say, you have to get up from here.
Spy call the owner and tell him to want to see two guys.
And the owner they migrate long time. Them don't have no interest in it. Them say make it stay just in case for them future generations same way.
Yeah.
You know? But if sometimes the future generation are really interested in this.
No, them have other thinking and them not really want to build a house no. Them want a house to build already.
Yes. And that is it, they want a house to build already.
Sometimes people don't like the community where them come from, them want to left the community, them want to go to a different place.
And some don't want left.
And some no, some not left, none at all.
And a lot of people cannot live in somewhere like this or so quiet.
Quiet, yeah.
Them love the nice, the rare. You know, this is McKinley Road that was on, guys. So this road supposed to can take around.
Yeah.
Alright then, so we'll do the walk then. Stretch your legs. Okay. So this is like the main road.
Believe me, go from Thursday. Not that one, but my pass one this. Pass one this, and I'm telling you, I take one this one go.
So imagine you take a local boy from out of the ghetto, a garrison, who used to this bag of nice and the music and excitement and run up and down with him friends and play football and make him come live here so.
A change guy like that.
But if you want to accept it, can I go on the nice, go out there really quick.
Sometimes, you know, when, alright, so even, you can't get no friend again, for example, the first thing.
True.
To link with people, you have to make friend time.
Yes.
You find, say, nobody molest you.
True.
You don't have to ask nobody to step out of the way.
You can walk in so safer. Oh, good.
You don't have to beg nobody to...
Excuse.
Yeah. So you could like that environment, the flow set. Nobody in your way.
Yes, sure. Royal view, mama.
You have everything for yourself.
Yeah, for your comfort.
You have nobody to unbug you.
Yes, sure. It's a good change for them,
Yeah,
you know.
Change.
Once them accept the change.
I'm go some place and I smoke. When we go there, I can't get to smoke.
Yes. You can't even find shop.
You can't even find a shop.
So these places you have to make sure
Before
the place get dark.
I'm going before we get a smoke.
Yeah.
I have no smoke.
No, have none. So it kind of help people change your way,
Yeah.
you know, and just adapt to new life. Another place as well.
That's a public friendly.
Go walk up yourself.
That's a public friendly.
Okay, we'll come out of the hyper.
That's a
Batista. I was a nice here.
I
was nice with the drive up with the van. Nice place, man.
Batista,
I remember back in the days, Mandeville never so developed, you know. Back in the days, Mandeville never used to have pure lands. Most land and so 1 and 2 house, but they never did develop so.
Find out, young generation. Old money.
Yeah.
So if you do tell them old money, them pick up and no for them new house.
Hold on there. Hero. I'm sending hello. I'm sending here the location. Back in the days when I look at you and I come country, a pure bush. Bless him, General. A pure bush when you come a country, but now when you come a country, hey. No, when you come, yeah. When you come a country now, you see houses like whoa, it does inspire yourself. You say, yo, you need to build something. Trust me. Things just change so quick. So So quick, man. Look at that, man.
When I bought just a bottle that about it.
Yeah, yeah. I don't know some amigo.
You go down, sir?
Yeah.
I don't know some lift too.
Okay.
Just have to do look this up.
Yeah.
You not go down, say go down like town, you know?
Yeah, so I know the direction if I go town.
Yeah, go down, okay.
So that's the roundabout there. Guys, and we have some thick clouds. A circulate. But hopefully we're not getting no rain. You know? Hopefully we're not getting no rain. Hopefully no rain no fall, you know. So these land now people will utilize them for business now. Because they're up on the front.
Yeah,
Not for us.
this is a move for government.
It's a government one.
Because them advertisement go there.
Yeah. KCSC. I feel like the government to give the people them some land, man. I feel like if the government give people land, people can develop the place, you know, and at least them say, yo, of course. And say, yo, all I go do, go buy the material. I don't want to see no zinc fence house, I don't want to see no board house, concrete structure, right up. Every family I love to get a piece of land, so you know, and they can go and develop.
And the sister we like all them draw the people housing trust money. If them they give them a piece of land and I draw the money.
Too so bad.
It wouldn't so bad because people now other land and still have been driving them house and still have paid them.
Still up here.
And still have paid them.
That's true.
How much people money them draw? And I know nobody can get a start.
Hey, the amount of people are true.
Housing trust.
And I know them can't get a look in.
Them never get a start.
But here with me hear about the trick with the housing trust. I hear same money them I use.
Yeah,
and I build places.
And sell it to other people.
And I sell it to others. Yeah. So the same tax, the same they call it contribution where you throw. It them I use. You know, this is what I heard. You know, to build the housing, the gate coming to them. You know. So you say your money them I use have developed CMA, but you still cannot get nowhere. So imagine that.
Your best option is if you see somewhere, check it out
and then let them know. And when you let them know, it's the same story. Then tell you say you qualify for this, but you have to go through this and go through that, and you still cannot get it all. No. Hey. Them always say life not unfair. You know, it's not life not unfair. It's who I deal with the life situations unfair. You know? Yeah man, the heads of government is unfair, man, to the people. Very, very, very. I'm not even lying.
Government have poor people.
Yeah. True. Yeah.
Biggest guy that them help get poor people, get up people.
Yeah.
That's them biggest guy. People help them all over the world.
Yes, true.
They help get up people and you still get up people still a suffer.
Still a suffer same way. And you wonder why.
They get the issue to get up people, they take it to themselves.
Yeah, yes.
What for the charge? Agua. Yeah, man.
Kino. Yeah. Go look grass, go. What a cup of food. Yeah, man, Kino, man.
Yeah, I watch it from all long. My girlfriend there.
Hello. Every day.
You watch it. Yo, you know what I watch it from the first time you got a church come.
From Gingin days.
Yeah.
Yeah.
From the girl did the fries.
Okay.
Chicken.
Okay, that's in a sea view.
Yeah.
I was them pretty, the brown girl.
The girl, the youth, what you do the like fix laptop and so forth.
Yes, yeah, Jim.
The post that.
Yes. That,
From them tell me watch it.
yeah, that in a sea view.
From them tell me watch it.
Cooler man, big up yourself, man, general man, cooler man. More strength.
Still say from them tell
Yeah.
me watch it from all on.
And I want to tell you, say Pablo down here as well, too, you know, I bring my sister come see our relative them join us as well too. And Pablo they're right down here, so. Yeah. So I'm there, I'm so start. I go and make a walk, me and him, and as so comes down, you know. Empress. Big up.
Oh my goodness, it's true, I watch you every day.
Yeah. Yeah.
Go back down to Mobile.
Yeah.
I said, do my brother that I was going
Yes.
come in. For the jelly.
Yes.
And then she said she for the jelly that on the
Turn back.
From the turn back, we talk about I said, see her coming. I said, yo, I'm ready from the cross the street. I said, yeah. Come see the camera?
Yes.
I start look across and I said, yo.
Kino. Yeah, so I see you, man. But imagine as someone walk, you know, you know, the comment, I'm saying, go and so what the comment is like, you know. And so we end up out here, so no.
We watch the man we have Bill
Wow, chef.
Wow, chef thing.
Yeah, I will be let finish up here now, you know.
I mean, I watch it from when?
Yeah, man.
All the time I come from work, I sit down, night. Sometimes you say to me, boy, you don't got your bed.
Bob Marley community.
Yeah. I said, no, I watch it, but every time him go all, even when about your uncle.
Yeah, Obaja.
You want to pass off you.
My cousin.
Your cousin.
Yeah, in Olaba.
Right, when you go to the place, you go down there.
The river come over there, the swamp come over, yeah.
Rasta you there. Kid them.
Yeah, man, cooler, man.
Everything we watch for you.
Yeah, man, cooler, man.
Everything.
God, every time we see with subscribers, I always appreciate them so much because they never have to watch, you know, and we appreciate them, especially when we see them and we greet them with love, man, you know, and I respect that every time. And I want to tell you, say, Hero, remember Hero? You want to see the little boy, I'm going here as well, too, you know, so he just send my location. So I'm going to beat my summer off here so as well too. Yeah. You know, because that's right down here, so we see the car on that side there. Yeah. That's where Pablo is right now.
Okay.
Pablo from Canada, see me.
Yeah.
No function down there, so I go on.
Okay.
Cookings are going on down there, you know.
Okay. Yeah, me make a stop when we to see him.
Yeah, man, if you want that picture. Yes, man. Look like the rain have come from that direction and it's getting blacker. Blacker. Yeah, man, that is it, man. Cool, man. You know the thing, man. We always respect and appreciate, you know. So, police for me, please. I'll put the light in up. Going up, brother. Greetings, you know. Respect, I'm saying thank you so much for watching. Yeah, man, I appreciate it. See that, guys. Just to walk. Yes, I know you get your fruit, your avocado, everything. Man, that's my general. See that, and I pass, them, and we say we are walk. So if we down there, them would have gone, so, and we are in there, them would be sick, and them a drive past. So guys, it's always a blessing to see our subscribers, you know, we really appreciate them because, trust me, if it wasn't for them, we wouldn't be doing this because they need the viewers them to be watching, you know, for you to stream. And we always thank them so much, you know, so always, wow. The rain look like it reach. And the same cloud, you know.
Yeah,
it's finally a reach now. A good thing we never bother wash the car. Yeah. Yes. And the burial do this, you know?
Big guest house over there, so.
Man, guess, yes. Big guest house. Wait, name again. Okay, go up the hill, right, for the guest house. Whoa. Make one drink down this side.
Go trucker, yeah.
We're there. We're there now, foot, you know. The rain is here, guys, you see? The cloud.
This is Mandeville, man.
Mandeville. Get a lot of rain down here. The rain chase us down. The rain are cool. Yeah, walk through this. And that's a U walk, you know. Yeah. Walk, there was a U. Quick and fast. Guys, I know I'm going to pick up. Oh, the walk you're going to town. So guys, I'm going to pick up my sister. Because so the rain is coming down. You know. The rain is here now, as you can see the rain has started to drew. You know. So let's see what's going to happen because it seems like it's going to rain hard. Look, the rain will come heavy. Yeah. The rain coming down heavy. The country. Mandeville rain this, you know? The girl live in. Eh? Yeah, just two subscribers.
Okay, no, subscribers.
Yeah, from Canada as well.
Everywhere you go, the same thing, right?
Yeah. Guys, so look, the rain come down. the same big thick cloud what we say, you know.
Yeah, that's the big black cloud.
Yeah.
Peter come over long time now.
Yeah, see from that way then. I take the time I come. See it there? What?
No, man, you know. No, a week after I run up and down go here, you know. Anytime you see the light, you know you have to listen to the thunder.
Yeah. I want the flash. Like a burial cousin.
That means I look wicked.
Yeah. Now wicked. Guys, we're in war now. So I come to go pick up my sister. No? We're in to can't move. Can't move.
Can't food, can't French.
Yeah. Okay, one more again. One more. Yeah. Same time for snap.
My YouTube was got a YouTube with
Yeah, chicken in the area and see
How was it?
rainy.
No, how was the...
It was alright.
That is Mandeville. So
Right, sis, it rain out.
What? What do you mean it run out?
Rain out.
So,
You want to go and see me?
I don't mind if they bring him there. So the OG.
Hello.
come, go eat.
Is that the next daughter? Hmm? What, Maya? Eh?
This is the next day. This Kim.
Maya.
Maya, we are run go Maya.
That is good. Take off your shoes.
No, that's alright.
Are you a drive up? You never did a drink?
No.
You have to stop spray perfume for
I don't realize that one yeah. Yes. Yes, at the energy. At the energy.
No big brother.
So, where
Say hello. So big up your family. I'm a big fan already. Say hello.
so shiny, true.
Eh?
Oh, but me can't shy when me come.
Oh, this is nurse. This is nurse. Nurse Dunkley. Hello, this is Nurse Dunkley. She's being a bit shy when everything goes. That's her mommy over there.
So what is
And
this
her
now?
sister. Me and my next cousin out there. Hero.
Ira come down?
Yeah, it's Hero.
Alive. Bro.
My next cousin.
Wait, let me give you the top now. Drive safe and time.
Alright.
One year. Nice meeting you guys. Same guys soon. And
1 year, are you a drive?
yeah, bye.
At a car there if you a drive.
When I graduate from around 2 years time, he will.
You will.
The drive graduation.
Oh,
Oh yeah,
So-
I want to plan so we're coming for that one. If I already have planned for that.
Yeah, I remember.
Oh, 2 years?
2026.
Yeah.
Okay, still have to.
Come a Sainty.
Yeah. Well, in England, so she don't need it. She braced already.
So now sister, right?
Yeah.
But two one look young. I which one is older?
Why did I say man up on the internet?
Where? What she say? Are you say, mommy?
They're hard. They talk about people all.
They're all
Their age come up for
almanac. Oh, the age come off almanac. Yeah, no. You know, come off. I mommy I said.
It's a drop off. It's kind of like a hang on, you know.
But you know, some always come down here. Yeah, I always come down here because I'm a friend and buy Fairfield.
Oh.
Yeah, so I come out down here again. No, I'm out by, they call that Winston Jones. Yeah.
The June plum tree is drowned.
Yeah, I want the pan it. I say I'm going to white. On the spray?
And the June plum?
Yeah.
When I go over there, you know, some look.
Maybe I did something them for something up there.
Oh, off of the tree, yeah, you see the thing up just above it?
The jump from them over there, so we can't get none. Wash them
But I know the white something them in a sense.
No, but look on the palm tree thing, you think that a fall down on it?
No.
Go look at the end of them. I think it's a baby jelly, a palm nut.
The palm something. You see them stand up very common, even the little one them still there.
The music make palm oil.
Yeah.
Nigeria, God.
Bye.
Now try it safe, man. From you say that, extra caution. Kiss.
€1.
Here, rain man fell. I'm telling the bag of stuff I got push out because of the rain.
Oh, then it's fine. We're not going to go back there.
The rain kind of run with everybody.
Oh, yeah? I got the rain full on now. What's on AC? Just in there. Not really. Just cool.
Hey guys, Mandeville. It's rain out, as you can see the amount of rain. It's falling like it is something else. Well, you want to see some house about the place?
Okay, and I want to. Yeah, up in my one leave. God, be it so, it shall be done.
Definitely will be done.
Yeah.
All you need is a piece of land. See the land
Incoming.
Them there. The land them there. Pure land over there for sale.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all it needs is a piece of land. Because pure land them people build up on them. These are all land. But guys, you know, Felicia insists that she want to come see Pablo. She want to come get food.
One of the OG
down your stairs, you know, I get cold. And they're supposed to be the road now. Oh, it's a different thing. Well. Pablo.
Hi.
Hello.
I like your outfit. Nice to meet you too. I saw your mother on June, but I haven't met her yet.
Oh yeah.
I hopefully one day I wish I would met her.
Yeah.
She's a nice lady.
Meet me instead.
Ah,
Yeah,
no problem.
she is to me.
Yeah, I see that.
Yeah.
I see Kino too.
Yeah.
Yo, Kino, your sister dead.
Yeah. That's him I said yesterday. So you know, dead stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, the man fish. So, you have more fried fish? You have more fish? Okay. One fish as well, yeah? Never know the man fish, man. I had fish. Yeah.
Yeah, probably some soup or something.
Yeah, she has soup too. Have some good.
What they want?
Just chicken for them.
Like that?
Yeah, Kino.
Yeah.
Kino, sister. Kino, that, you know. Yeah, man, know. You need to recognize the man.
Yeah, good man, big up man. I hear food me see, I'm saying I want the fish. So I have to get one as well too, you know?
That's it, loving a Kino.
Cooler man. Yeah, cooler man, most. That's true.
Big brother.
Yeah, yeah. Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kira Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.